Hi, thank you for visiting, because today I'm gonna to show you this smart ear purifier. Why smart? Interesting. And together we're gonna find out why is that smart. So let's start it just now. Okay guys, so before we start checking and reviewing these products, let's check the box, what is on the box. So first what I'm gonna to tell you is that is a lot of information on the box, what exactly function and what gonna do this ear purifier for you. So the producer said that it's smart mode, temperature indicator, humidity indicator, 3 speed levels, sleep mode, night light, wow, low power consumption and high performance filter. Okay, so we have a lot of information already facing on the box, it's just here. But what is more important is that the producer also mentioned what the filter and this will do for you. So they will say that there were dust completely off, that will fix your problem with allergy trap, capture pets here and all the mess from the pets, reduce the smells of smoke, reduce odors and remove bacteria and so on and so on. So there is a lot of information how helpful is this device, but I never believe what is on the box, and always in big reviews we gonna check this. So I'm stop talking now and doing the test for you. So we have here our star, which is smart ear purifier. When you remove from the box, you must to open this. Here is the filter inside. Must to remove it. It look like that, the filter. And this filter has cover or plastic as brand new, so you must to remove it, this one. And once you're done, you just put easily like that and you close this. Okay, you just close it like that. Once it's closed, you can just check that it's closed properly. You turn it back to the right position and you just plug in this to socket the power cable and to the machine. You will hear that kind of signal, so that means that it's already ready. And now we're gonna press it, power button, and what you will see. Okay, I already feel it's working now. You will see here procents of humidity of air and also your temperature in the room. So you already has the information facing of the screen, but more, once you click it here, we will have speed. The speed will make faster filtering the air which is around us. But okay, let's turn off for a while. And the producer also mentioned as first on the box that is smart mode. So this is the most important, and I'm gonna tell you why it's smart just for a second. So before we move on to the smart mode and the explanation on that, I just want to ask you, if you like this video or you want to see more like this kind of videos, just don't forget to click subscribe button now. If you subscribe, thank you very much that you did. If not, then you can just do it now. And also, if you like this video, just click like. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions regarding this one, then just comment below. Thanks. And okay, let's start. Continue explanation of how it works this. So now we go into the smart mode process. Smart mode process is the process that we pressing power and we press here. It's S and automatically we have here green light. The green light is not always green. I just want to let you know. There is 3 colors: green, orange and red, like in traffic lights. So why is that? Because there will have indicator which will know what exactly air condition is at your house or the room, and if it's starting to be so dusty, or you have pets, it's something happened that is gonna to be mess in your ear, this will detect this condition and automatically will turn to the color orange or red. So what it's happened if we're tuned to these colors is just happen that it's starting to filtering faster. So for example, if it's smoking cigarettes at home, so automatically will be red. If gonna to be red, turn automatically to high speed filtrations, and this is like in manual mode will be the maximum. But smart mode is the smart mode that if we're done the job and the air condition will go back to normal, definitely you will see that it's starting to be like now the light green. And if will be green, so definitely you will save energy, and you don't need to think even about what is air condition at your place, because the smart mode will detect and will know what to do themselves. That is smart mode, and that's why it's smart. And because I want Derek to do the test and that will works, so I'm just bringing some spray. I'm gonna spray it now. I will wait that this will works or no. No, on the perfume guys will not work. So I'm just showing to you that even I try to do the test that will change in the smart mode the color. It's not effects or any perfume. What I think so is good. Why? Because if for example you like have some smells, good perfumes at home that your house or room will smell nice, or even you spray it yourself and you want the smell will keep on you, this air purifier will not consume and will not filtering this all from the room. What exactly will it do? It will works only for bad smells, dust, virus. Because if your home is big, this will be definitely too small. This will take, I believe, 27 square meters in an hour. But if you want to have for big house or kitchen with open area, something like very big room, so definitely you should thinking about bigger smart device to make change it in your air condition. But yeah, if you just have small house or small rooms, not too big, or 1 to 3 rooms, let's say, not so big, so once you started from this, I think so is good investment, because this is very cheap. And anyway, I will put in the description the link, so if you planning to buy, you can buy from there. I think so this will be the best option for you. When I bought this, I saved a lot, guys. I saved 40%, so thank you very much for Amazon for that promo. And anyway, I'm so happy and so satisfied from this one, because like I said, there is the smart mode and completely filtering. Okay, now I just wanna let you know about one more thing, which is very important. If you are a guy who is allergy, if you are allergy, okay, if you wake up and like me, I've been sick in the morning always. I don't know why I've been sick, but I feel like full nose of something, some kind of liquids, and I feel tired. So yeah, I was thinking that this is just because it's me in natural way, some kind of allergy. But when I start this one using for every night, I wake up very high. I wake up because I really sleep overtime always. I sleeping too long. I even not thinking about that alarm gonna to wake up me to my work. I just really sleep very well. And what more is that my allergy is gone. And this is not marketing. This is not that I'm just telling you that you will buy this. I just really test it, and it's happening to me. That's definitely works on me, and someone got some similar and told me that as well it works. So yeah, if you decide you're ready to buy, I will recommend you this one, and you can be happy. What more can show you on the end of this video that you stay with me is that when you click here, okay, and now for the night the light will bother you when you're gonna to sleep, you can turn it off. So you can just completely turn it off, the light. They're still working, but the light is off. That's so good. Also, when you press it on hold, the power button, you will have the signal, so you automatically lock this one. So if you have children and you worry that children will change the settings, no more, because automatically you lock it. And to unlock is very easy. You just press the power button, and yeah, so you just need to hold the power button for a while, and then definitely will lock and unlock. There's a good option, I think so, for people with children. Just remember that you need space for this, so this is not to put everywhere, okay? You must put on the space when you have minimum 30 centimeter distance from the wall, from the furniture, because around this must to gonna to consume all the mess, and this is consume like vacuum and filtering on top, and here go in the fresh air. That is works this one. So okay, I hope I motivated you already. Okay, I'm open the light, look, I'm close the light. More important for me when I decide to buy this one is the filter cost. It's cost below 20 pounds, very cheap filter. Some different producer I saw it that they're offering filters almost for the same price as the machine, so it's like wow, too expensive. This one, no, you will save the money. Once the filter you're gonna to change every 6 to 7 months, depends how much you have. Sorry for that saying, but yeah, it will be super messy, maybe 4 months, 5 months, but the producer say something like 6 months. I think it's enough for a very long time, but if you're gonna change one times, even 5 months later, then 20 pounds is not cost, right? It's not big expense. So I think so it's very worth it when you will sleep very long, very well, and everything will be okay in your life. I hope that is true, and see you in next video, guys. I'm finished for today. Once again, subscribe my channel if you not yet did, because I'm collecting subscribers to show you more and more and more, and every subscriber is like motivation to go more and show you much better things in this world and recommend to you. Because remember, I never show you things which I don't like it. I first test it and show it to you. So just keep in mind. Thank you very much once again, and see you in next video just here